Honor has started teasing its upcoming foldable phone, the Honor Magic V6. Honor has introduced the Magic V6 in a new cheetah red color variant, featuring a deep red rear panel paired with a gold middle frame that gives the foldable a festive and premium appearance. The back panel carries a velvet-like textured finish with Star Trek-inspired patterns, while the circular camera module adds to the device's recognizable identity. The Magic V6 is scheduled to make its global debut on March 1st at MWC 2026 in Barcelona. Honor Magic V6 is confirmed to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. The Magic V6 could arrive in two configurations, 12GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB. The 12GB plus 256GB version will house a 7,150 mAh battery. This version will reportedly get 120W fast charging support and Baidu's satellite SMS functionality. There's also a variant with a 6,580 mAh battery, and this could get 80W fast charging, but will lack satellite features. The Magic V6 is still extremely thin, possibly even thinner than its predecessor. Features include wireless charging, full waterproofing, a 200-megapixel main camera with a large sensor, and a periscope telephoto lens. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.